friends. So, nice, beautiful day. Overcast a little, but warm and breezy. And I decided to work on my compost a little more. Well, the very center is dry as a bone, white powdery mold. And I'm exhausted. Got that much usable compost, plus 6 wheelbarrows full that are in my 2 raised beds. I'm calling it. That's enough. I'm gonna water this and put the stuff I sifted out of that back into here. Hopefully that breaks down before I need to add to that, because that is full. I don't know what to do with that. I have too much. I have too much compost. Unfinished. So, time for a break. I'll show you when it's done. And that's it for now. Ready to use. Needs more time. Last year's. Supposed to be this year's. I need to get that on there. But by the time I plant and need that, I'm hoping to sift more of that into finished.